What it do, work gang, what it do? Today, we gonna go ahead and put this 10-speed manual Camaro Zl1. We gonna drive it in manual mode. We gonna throw it in track mode too. And we gonna see, does it shift good? You know, we just gonna test the shifting and see if it shift as good as a manual, a real manual. We gonna see if this automatic manual gonna shift as good. But we gonna switch angles. We gonna POV this bad boy in this Camaro, and we gonna see what it's talking about. You dig? You see, it's a lovely day out here today, so let's make it happen. Pop. Let's get it. Just gonna throw it in manual mode real quick. Throw it in track. As you can see, we got it in track mode. Threw it in manuals mode. I said manuals. But yeah, we're gonna see what it's talking about. We're gonna see if it shift good like a manual or not. I mean, I can see the shift points right here. You can't really see it, but I can see it because, you know, it's got that little digital display up there. Man, traffic going crazy today. Yeah, I've never drove this car in I drove it in manual, but I usually use the paddle shifters. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this stick shifter. Whoa, what the fuck? Ain't goofy, boofy? Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, that sounds good too, you hear it? Yeah, I like that. See, when you shift it, it's instead of shifting up, to shift up, you would press down like most cars. You push up on this car to shift up, and the downshift you bring it down. Well, which would be natural. I think that's a better way to do it. Some people don't like that way, but I like this way better than I like the counterclockwise way. Ooh, ooh, you hear them? You hear them burbles? You hear them burbles? The car is much louder too when you throw it in manual mode. The car is way louder than it would be if I took it out of manual mode. I'm gonna take it out of manual mode. See how I quieted down when I took it out of manual mode? Let me put it back in there. See, it's humming now. It's humming again. Let's get some downshifts. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah. And actually, even though this car is an automatic 10-speed, you know, it's an automatic 10-speed, I'd rather drive it in manual mode. I usually drive it with the shifters like this, with the paddle shifters, but I'm gonna start driving with the shifter. It's actually more funner. Ooh, man, that thing's screaming. Ooh wee. Let me downshift. Ain't trying to get no. Man, it's fun. I mean, I drive a semi for a living. Most of the Werewolf gang know I drive a semi for a living. So shifting I shift all day. But well, I used to shift all day. I don't shift no more. They gave me an automatic truck, which is a blessing, especially when you be going to Chicago. My truck is automatic now, so I don't got to sit in traffic and be shifting. But man, this car is 10 times funner driving with the shifter with the stick shifter. It's screaming. Let me upshift. Ooh, I like this, man. And it feels good because the shifting is pushing it up instead of bringing it down to shift up and pushing it up to shift down. I'd rather push it up to shift up and bring it down to shift down too. It just seems more natural, you know. Now, I had a Hellcat, but I never one time shifted it with the shifter. For some reason, I never did that. I should have tried it out because I don't know how the shifts were on the Hellcat. I don't know if it was up for up and down for down, or was it down for up and up for down. I don't know how it was. Leave in the comments, how is it on a MOPAR? Is it shifts just like this when you want to shift upshift? Ooh, this thing crazy. Man, it sounds so much more aggressive. We got the hater in front of us, so we got a downshift. Listen to them downshifts. Ooh. Ooh. Dang, the car is so much funner than shifting with the shifters. I mean, I like the shifters. I mean, I can shift with the shifters right now if you want me to. Let's downshift. Downshift it. Well, we in gear 3. Let's get it. Ooh, that was fun too, but it ain't funner than that. It's not as fun as the shifting it with the stick though. The shifting with the stick is so much more funner. And them burbles is going crazy with the manual. I ain't know it went crazy like that. But I got it in track mode too, so it's gonna be humming like crazy. I'll probably do another video about all the modes. From you know, they got snow and ice mode, they got sport, touring, and then they got track, and then they got a secret mode. I'll let you see the secret mode right now. You got to hit it twice. See this traction button right here? I hope y'all can see it. I ain't really for sure, but if you hit it twice, see how it turned it? It showed the traction control is completely off. I'll do it again for you. Boom. See how that little menu came up right there? You see that little menu? See it says Sport 1, Sport 2, and then I can put it all the way in race mode. You put it all the way in race mode. Which race mode would be just another mode of saying it's track mode, if you know what it's just another way of saying track mode. And if you forget to downshift, the computer would downshift for you, because I was talking to y'all right then and there. I forgot to downshift. So I forgot to downshift, but the car would do it for you if you just mess up. It'll do it for you. And also the heads up display right there, it'll tell you when to shift your shift points. See? Ooh, this thing is shifting something crazy. I would try to beat them, but I ain't gonna try to beat them. They looking like they wanna tear. They looking like they wanna tear the car up. You know what I'm saying? Listen to them burbles. That thing, man, burping popcorn. Yeah, this thing is so much fun shifting when you put it in manual mode. It's like a totally different car. The car's like totally different. Like, I know you're like, oh, it can't be that much. It's totally different. Like, it's not even, what is this guy doing? What are you doing, Tiger? You hear that? You hear it? Woo! This thing is too fun. Too fun. And man, it's so much, and the car is just so loud. I know the people around me like, what is going on? What is this guy doing? Ooh, this thing is fun. See them shifts so smooth, no irky jerky, none of that. It's just straight smooth, man. Just, I love this car, man. I loved my Hellcat. I ain't gonna sit there and act like I didn't love the Hellcat, because I did love the Hellcat. You know, I'm always gonna be a Mopar type of guy, but I'm a Chevy guy too, because you know I got an SS Impala as well. And but this car is just funner. It seems like it seems like you in a race car, man. It's just so much more funner. I mean, if funner ain't even a word, but my Hellcat didn't do none of this burbling and my Hellcat had a custom exhaust on it, so it burbled a little bit, but it ain't burbled nothing like, it ain't burbled like this one do. This one be going crazy with the popcorn. And I know people like, you can't even hear the whine, but look, you can hear that whine in this bad boy. You can hear the whine. Yeah, man, it's definitely a fun car. I definitely would recommend, if you got you any kind of Camaro, if you can go to manual mode in it, I would definitely recommend you doing that, because it's super fun, man. It's super fun. I mean, I'm enjoying myself right now. I'm having a blast. I am having a blast right now. And the downshifting, man, it feel like you in a stick right now. I feel like I'm in a real live manual, you know what I'm saying? Look at that shift. Shift. This thing's super fun. Hey, don't you come out there on that lawnmower, baby. I'm gonna send you to lawnmower heaven. Yeah. Your boy T-Light loving this, man. I'm loving this Zl1 1le. I know it ain't like everybody like, ah, man, you should have kept the Hellcat. It's more popular. Hey, you know, I mean, I ain't really into more popularity contests, you know. I'm my own person. I had a Hellcat, I enjoyed it. It's still my most favorite car in the world. But I wanted to try this car, and I'm gonna be all the way real. This car is a funner driving machine than a Hellcat. It's a funner driving car. This is a real driver's car. This car is really a driver's car. I have more fun in this car than I ever did. In the Hellcat. So I'm definitely having a blast. But I'm gonna go ahead and holler at y'all in a second. I'm gonna throw it out a manual. Woo, open it back up, get it right. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Let y'all see my face. Great POV. Matter of fact, nah, I ain't gonna holler at y'all. Say we gonna get on this strip right here, and we gonna see what this bad boy talking about. We gonna get on the strip and see what it's talking about. You dig? We ain't gonna speed or nothing like that. Well, that's a good little track run. Had a good little time, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we ain't gonna call it a track run, but manual. Quick little manual ride, and hopefully I showed y'all a little bit of how the shifter when you go into manual mode and automatic. Hopefully you got a little feel for it. I try to do a POV. So y'all can get a feel for it. It's this transmission in this car is unbelievable, man. It's unbelievable, man. This is a super fun car. If you ever get a chance to drive a Zl1 regular or Zl1 1le, man, do not pass on that chance. Do not pass on it, because you're gonna definitely enjoy it. This car is so fun. You feel like you're in a race car. You feel like, well, you are in a race car. I mean, let's be honest, you're definitely in a race car, and it's just a wonderful experience, especially when you put it in manual mode and you use the shifter instead of the paddle shifters. You use the stick shifter, and it's just a very, very enjoyable experience. And I'm getting caught at the train right now. That's crazy, man. Hopefully it's going fast, because if it don't, I'm gonna go on somebody's driveway and bust a young U-turn. But they give me a chance to talk to y'all a little bit. But that's a nice BMW right there. Definitely a nice BMW. I like BMWs. You got the little Fiat 500 over there, the little Fiat 500, if y'all can see it. I got my GoPro out like that. I don't even know how to zoom in and zoom out with the GoPro. I'm gonna be all the way honest with you. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Hopefully it was a good POV. Like I said, I got caught by the train. As you can see, the train. Hopefully, like I said, you enjoyed this video. Good little POV drive, manual shifting in an automatic. I definitely had fun in the Camaro today. I just want y'all to stay up, man. Y'all stay safe out there. And if you got a friend that want to buy a Zl1 Camaro automatic, and he or she doesn't think it's gonna be fun, show them this video. They'll think, oh yeah, I'm definitely getting that 10-speed automatic. Because I like the regular manual the manual 6-speed, but I'd rather go with the 10-speed, because if you're gonna be running with the big boys, they all got 8-speed transmission, 10-speed transmission. You gotta keep up with them, man. You can have fun, and then you can switch this bad boy back to automatic if you really need to get down on somebody. But with that being said, I'm gonna end this video. I end all my videos. Y'all stay up, y'all stay blessed up, y'all stay away from the negative people, stay around positive people, enjoy your life, catch a couple of your dreams. With that being said, it's your boy Tlites. Oh yeah, big shout out to the Werewolf gang. Much love to the light crew. You already know how I feel about you, and I'm out this piece. Jitty.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be